With Windows 11 being just around the corner, one may decide whether it is a good idea to upgrade to the latest Windows or stick to Windows 10. But how exactly does Windows 11 differ to Windows 10, and should you upgrade as soon as it comes out? That's what I'm going to be going through in today's video. Windows 11 is free, so you won't have to pay a thing, and the minimum system requirements aren't something to worry about either, and will probably be dropping around November to December this year. First, let's talk about some noticeable differences and improvements to Windows 11 compared to Windows 10. Snap layouts. With the introduction of snap layouts, you are able to arrange multiple windows across the screen, not just side by side, but in columns, sections, and more. And with multiple snap layouts, you form another feature known as snap groups, where you can go back to previously snapped windows from the dock or taskbar, and simply do it without having to snap them back to the previous view again. This feature is very useful when having multiple monitors, which by the way have also been improved through the multi-monitor support, so when you reconnect an external monitor, Windows 11 remembers the previous positions of the windows that were on that monitor. Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store is finally seeing a redesign with better targeted content and a better option for managing your purchased shows. Apps such as Disney+, Adobe Creative Cloud, Pinterest and more are already in this redesigned store for Windows 11, and as time goes on there are more coming. Android apps are also ready for Windows 11, discoverable from the Windows Store via Amazon App Store, so you can download apps ready to use on your PC or tablet. This basically means that Windows 11 can run Android apps to some extent, which is a big plus compared to Windows 10. Start menu. One of the biggest changes users will notice is that the start menu has been moved to the center of the screen, and it's now cloud powered, so it dynamically changes depending on the time of day and the content you're working with. Light mode and dark mode are official with rounded corners and a unified design across the operating system, with colorful wallpapers to choose from as well. There are also some windows that show you bite-sized information similar to Windows 10 but a little bit better. Windows widgets are back in Windows 11, accessible via the dock being renamed the taskbar, with Microsoft pushing AI-powered dynamic features that enable widgets. On the touchscreen, you can slide from the left on the desktop to have widgets appear. Gaming will be a supposedly much bigger focus in Windows 11, with the Windows 10 Xbox app replaced by the new Game Pass app that allows you to buy, manage and remove games, making it easier for you to access and download games. HDR will also be supported on compatible PCs, offering improved lighting and contrast for gaming and viewing media. Direct storage is also here, with the main game assets able to be downloaded and installed, enabling you to play your games even faster than before. Tablet mode. Tablet mode has been one of Windows', let's say, weaker points ever since Windows 8, and the new tablet features that Microsoft showed off for Windows 11 could be much more anticipated. The touch keyboard has been redesigned with a smaller keyboard just for your thumb, and emojis ready to be used. Microsoft says dictation will also be improved alongside voice commands with delete that options and more. But are these features really enough to justify an upgrade? Well, that's completely up to you. Some of these features are new and some are improved, but it all comes down to personal preference. As we learn more about Windows 11, maybe an upgrade won't mind at all. But that's all from me. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one.